This is the cable mounting and fiber slack storage ring. This is a product you can use to either store slack fiber cables, or in this case, we're going to use it as a routing guide to get the cables which entered here, but we really want them over on this side. As opposed to routing across the middle, this will allow us to route it right over the top and get a nice clean look without using up a lot of space. It's a good product for that. This product is held in place by these plastic plunger pins, and they are not installed, so we have to install them first. There are two parts to each plunger pin. The first part is this base. This base needs to snap into the holes, and if you look inside, there's a dog bone type shape here with recesses, and that's where they go. One here, and one will go right here. So assemble these first, like so. Then take these pins and push them into the base, and push them into the bases. 1, 2. To install it in the Structured Media Center, pull the plungers out. They'll click. That will release them, and that way you can snap it in. We're going to put it right up here so we can put our cable over the top. This is a good place for this product. There we go, snapped in. And now we can route this cable over the top, tuck it in behind the little ears there, and that will give a nice bend radius compliant mounting point for us to run our cables across the top of the enclosure without using up a lot of space up here. So then we'll go ahead and secure that, and this has now moved our cables to the other side. You can use these rings anywhere in the enclosure. You just need 2 holes.